Stand up for me for a second. You're just being detained as of right now. I'm just going to put you in handcuffs, okay?
You guys call us? Did you guys call?
Yeah, we did. So she's trying to scam us with credit fake ID and credit card.
How?
What do you got? What's going on?
I don't have.
What's your name? Ma'am? What's your name?
My name?
Your name? Emily? Emily what?
Miranda.
And this is your driver's license? Alright. Is the address on it correct? And what is that address? Okay. Why are they saying this isn't coming up? What's going
I
on?
have no idea.
Okay. What's your date of birth?
The 20th of 97 of this month.
Okay. Do you have any other driver's license in any other states?
And she tried to use a fake ID and the credit card name matching to fake ID. When I scanned the ID, came out different name and address in my system, so I figured.
Alright, just give me a moment, try to figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
So can I leave?
Nope.
'Cause I have, like,
You can't, you're
Uber.
being detained right now.
Okay, well I have an Uber waiting for me outside.
Okay, you're being detained right now.
What does that mean?
That means you are not free to go anywhere.
That's me.
This is you?
That's...
Okay. So you're telling me that your name is Emily Miranda?
I'm not saying anything.
Okay.
There's nobody that name or date of birth.
What's your date of birth?
It's on the ID.
Okay. So you understand how this is becoming kind of suspicious at this point because you don't even know what your date of birth is?
5/20, 1997.
Okay. And what is your name and your address?
Much easier if we knew exactly who you were. Because this isn't looking good right now, and if you go up to county jail as a Jane Doe, you're gonna stay up there a lot longer.
Alright, just hold that for a second. Stand up for me for a second. You're just being detained as of right now. I'm just going to put you in handcuffs, okay? And then when the fingerprint scanner gets here and they fingerprint you, we'll figure out who you are and then we'll go from there, okay?
Officers scanned her fingerprints and found her real name.
Who do we got for the first name? Helena Arenciba is her last name?
Lena A. I had it.
After officers found her real name, she refused to answer questions.
Alright, you can. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke us, stick us, or anything like that we need to know about?
No.
Alright, you are under arrest. Stand up.
She was charged with fraudulent use of a credit card, possession of a fake driver's license, and giving a false name while being lawfully detained.